There's a moment in a well-run house when you walk into a bedroom that isn't yours and it simply feels finished. Stay to the end for the review. Not expensive exactly, finished. And most people assume that's the sheets. It isn't. A beautiful bed is never one product. It's three. The sheets you actually touch, a textured coverlet over them, and the crisp duvet above that. Almost everyone buys two of the three. The coverlet is the one you're missing. The Pinecone Hill Lodi is true matelassé, woven on a jacquard loom in Portugal and stonewashed to a softness cotton usually takes years to earn. It's the single best thing you can add to a bedroom you thought was already done. Above it, the trio duvet cover, three embroidered French blue lines on crisp white cotton. Embroidered, not printed, and nothing else. Restraint, done properly. And for sheets, don't overspend. The BedLife's French flax linen set is genuine European flax at under half the boutique house's price, with 4.5 stars across 1,800 buyers. If you're new to linen, start there. Now the part I'd want told to me. I had intended to headline the Boll and Branch signature sheets. Their argument is the correct one. But Amazon currently flags them as a frequently returned item, and a product that needs that much explaining not to disappoint you doesn't belong at the top of a list. Buy the linen instead. A bed is the one piece of furniture you use every night of your life. Per hour, it's the best money you'll ever spend on a room. Build it in layers, and buy the layer you're missing. Links to all my reviews and roundups are in the description for you to read. Also, as a bonus, you will have access to my luxury bedding edit and full fall edit. I love you all, stay sparkly, and stay luxurious. Lux Lexi from SparkTrove Trends.